People have been upset about the economy for such a long time, and yet there are a few things that are actually starting to improve, and yet people are still pretty upset. Today, we're gonna explore why. So let's actually get clear on the current conditions of the economy right now, because things have started to change. The economy's actually picked up some steam thanks to tireless consumers. And we also have an unemployment rate currently sitting at 3.8%, which is really only marginally above where it stood January 2020. 69% of respondents to a Wall Street Journal survey in August said that the country is actually headed in the wrong direction. Now, if you put your head on this slide, you're like, wait, trust in the government? And I'm not exactly excited about what that has economically done, but there's a few more things that have also shifted consumer sentiment about how people are feeling about this economy. Take a look at workers, for example, and their personal satisfaction. Really, for the first time in a long time, they're getting more time off, they're getting more flexibility, which is why the Conference Board finds job satisfaction actually high right now compared to how it's been for years. Inflation increased 3.7% in September 2023 from a year ago, but if you actually take a look at GDP and job growth and earnings, look at this. GDP is actually climbing right now. Payroll is up, which means people are earning more money. The median weekly wage is also climbing, but take a look at consumer sentiments on this chart. Like, it had dropped so decidedly low, but take a look at the last 6 months. It's actually starting to come back. Bottom line, wages are beating inflation and the economy is doing fine enough, which also means that now is a really good time to invest. I'm amazed in the last 2 years how many people have put real estate investing on hold. You take a look at how that market is held because of high, not just inflation, but high interest rates. You take a look at other investments into business sectors, and people have basically been holding onto their purses. They're basically saying, I'm not letting my money go. And right now, if you were waiting for that moment where it's like, well, actually the economy moves slowly, but it's starting to pull back in the right direction, I'm just gonna raise the flag of warning. Now is the time to be investing. Like, take a look at real estate. We have record high interest rates from the last 4 years. But if you take a look at 2024, where Rocket Mortgage says it's gonna drop from 7.5% to 4.1%, like, that's like a significant cut in those rates. And even after they drop this 1 or 2 points, we're going to see the price of real estate skyrocket. Guess when the right time to buy real estate is? It's not after the market moves up, that's called chasing. It's actually before, because with 6.5 million homes missing, the moment those rates drop a little bit, people are going to be gunning to get their hands on the next real estate that's available. You're also going to see the business markets increase. Overall, if there was a time in the economy to play the prediction game and start going heavy into business and real estate and start investing, that time is now. I'm also predicting that what I'm earning in real estate, which is like 25 to 35%, that means that my money grows 27 to 50 times more than the 401k and beats out retirement accounts. I'm predicting that those are going to double or triple starting mid-2024 for the next 2 years after, which means I'm gonna be earning some of my greatest gains in real estate all over again, just like I did pre-pandemic. Like, do you remember during the pandemic when real estate, the median went from like $297,000 to now $416,000? It's up like $120,000. I'm predicting that we're gonna see another 100,000 plus jump starting mid-2024 through the next 18 to 24 months, which basically means your national median is going to head over $500,000 and it's gonna stay there until inventory catches up, which means that now is like the most perfect time to be investing in real estate. If you don't know, I've done over $2 billion worth of real estate, over 6,500 transactions, and I have over 1,000 partners that I've bought real estate with, and you might be my next partner. The cool thing is it's passive. All you do is put up money from a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. And then other than that, my team of experts and I will go in, we'll do all of the investing. If you've been holding your breath and waiting for things to get better, this is the time right now. Click the link below, learn about partnering with me, and then fill out your information where a member of my team will call you and basically say, hey, if you're gonna partner with Kris Krohn, I'm gonna give you his cell phone, you're gonna do deals together, you're gonna get a game plan. And if I can show you how to have millions of dollars of retirement, then we might actually be a good fit to partner with each other. Click the link below, get some more information. The economy's doing better, let's go. Obviously, I'm a fan of real estate, but there are other investments, alternatives that I love to invest in. I've lost a lot of money in bad investments, but I've made great money in good investments. And after all these years, I've actually aggregated my favorite investments. If you want to know the ones that I think will perform the best for you, click this video, watch here, and let's get underway.